You won't believe what this dog did after hearing a car alarm. A dog had its head sticking out of a moving car, enjoying the breeze, when suddenly it heard a warning sound from another vehicle. What it did next shocked everyone. It copied the sound perfectly. But here's the crazy part. It's not just mimicry. The reason why he does it will leave you speechless. But before I show you the video, if you love this cute dog, leave a like and subscribe. And if you don't, well, maybe you hate animals, so drop a heart in the comments. Now, here's the video.